So that's what the eye makeup is going to look like. I'm going to start by using my Define pigment in Delusion, and I'm taking it onto this Pro Arte BE30 brush, and I'm starting by creating the wing here. Don't worry about it being extra straight or anything. We can use a Q-tip later and fix it. I'm just going to use a sponge just to make sure that I don't take any of his makeup off. Now we want to pull the wing inwards to where his natural crease is. This in like that, right? And I'm also going to apply it on the inner corner. You have such beautiful eyes. Makes it so easy to draw. I was telling him the same thing when I was doing the other side. Bring it inwards like this on the inner corner. Just sharpen it a little bit. Just a little bit. And then just bring the product in. Just halfway through. Intensify. We'll leave the center bare. That's where the glitter is going to be placed. And now I'm just going to fill in the wing. So I'm using as little product as possible once we're inside like this, so that I can just blend and feather it out. And this way the glitter will look very well blended as well. For glitter, I'm using this Diamond Dew from Lime Crime. I like to go straight in with the doe foot applicator and just apply it onto the center like so. So this just makes sure that I have a lot of product. And then I'm just using this Morphe M213 flat brush and pressing and spreading this glitter, making sure that it's blended. When you're working with glitter, always make sure that you're patting. Liquid glitters are the easiest to work with. They don't have fallouts. You don't have to worry about glitter like flying all over the room. I think it works really well if you are like kind of working on a bride as well. So now I'm just going to go back and apply a little bit more pigment. I was using very little product before, just so that in case I made any mistake, it was easier to clean up. And now I can just go back and intensify the color wherever I want to. Just going to apply the liner as close to the lower lash line as possible. I know Rahel really likes his liner like
sharp.
Yeah, sharp and also like quite smoked out on the lower lash line. But unfortunately, I'm not doing that for him because I want the focus to be on the upper eyes. Sometimes it's nice. Okay, so like what we did on top, the same thing on the bottom lashes. I'll wait for it to kind of dry just a little bit so that we can blend it out like an eyeshadow. So I'm using a small pointy brush to blend it underneath like so. I'm going to apply the glitter the exact same way on the bottom line as well. And I'm kind of extending the glitter downwards like a glitter tear almost, not too much. Applying some Damn Girl mascara from Too Faced. We've really curled his eyelashes well. What are your preferred pronouns?
He, him, anything works, to be honest.
Yeah, if in case you guys make any mistake, you can just go back and use like a Q-tip. And that's the finished look. That was super easy. What do you think? Do you like it?
I love it.
Yeah?
I love it.
You don't usually do like structured looks,
I don't do
right?
structured looks like this. Very defined.
That's literally the name of my brand.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so that's literally what I created this brand for, because I love like creating like defined looks like this, like cool graphic liners, love glitters. Rahel actually also tells me that he's never used glitter on his eyes before, so this is...
So Miss Debasree took my glitter virginity today.
I legit did. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun creating this look. If you want to be a part of my next video, please send me a DM and I would love to have you over. See you soon.